Over here.
Fucking everywhere.
Yeah. Then I say... Oh, bum rush grandma. Isn't Strike Force going to be...
I just like going
I don't know.
Tough. You wouldn't happen to have a second primary, would you?
I have my MP7, but I kind of told Kev I'd let him use it if he needed it. But you can use it until he wants it.
Okay.
Oh, what happened to your gun?
Paul,
Yeah?
you guys need to look for the flag.
Alright.
Go with me.
Okay. Fucking Sean's here. That sucks. Some of them is here. That sucks. I hate not having a primary. Hello, I'm on you now. You got two! Julie Barrett!
There's a guy right there not calling his fucking hit.
It's a dot, it's a dot, it's a dot!
Bang, bang! Bang, bang! Bang! Yeah. Bang!
What? I'm fogging up, I can't see.
Run, just run. I got your Thunder Bee.
That's why I told RJ.
Huh? Yo. I got you a mag if you need it.
Alright. I got a bunch of them 4 mags too. Here.
We gotta take the other one.
Get out the door.
He's four. He's four elite force.
Someone needs to take suicide and pop them off.
I can try.
Okay, mag. Thanks. I got two more too if you need it.
What are those? Oh, Go around.
Bang, 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 bang!
Ricochets don't count. Stop hitting the ricochets.
Good.
Come on, get out there. Come on.
Bang, 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 bang! Bang, bang, bang!
We're coming.
Right in the doorway, right in the doorway, right in the doorway. Bang!
Who's got the window?
Window, hey, tough! Oh, shit. Kevin.
Yo, right here. I can't get him.
On me.
Shit. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Red light.
Wait, that was capture the flag?
I don't even know.
Mask on, bro. Mask on.